is making sure we give them just a little prick, okay? That keeps it nice and moist, but most importantly, they don't burst, okay? So we roll them around, let the pan do the work, okay? I'm gonna stick them in the oven. Don't burn the bacon.
I won't burn the bacon.
There you go.
All right, I'm gonna take some of these cherry tomatoes.
Love that.
There you go, just chucking them in.
Now, take me back to the beginning, that journey, okay? A prolific tennis player.
Yep.
It doesn't just happen overnight. We never saw the beginning. Talk to me about the beginning, the first moment you fell in love with it.
Love's a strong word, but I mean, I just kind of pushed me the whole way to get here, I guess. And now I'm cooking next to Gordon Ramsay.
Before tennis, you were good at football?
Not really, I was a goalkeeper, so the other side of the goal.
Perfect.
I was pretty big when I was a kid.
Perfect.
Love food.
Aussie rules?
Not a big AFL guy.
No?
No, I don't like contact, to be honest.
Right.
How's your Ironman going? You got an Ironman in the week?
Man, I've got it coming up, literally, second one this year, which is going to be pretty insane. So,
What's the training like for that?
do you know what? The training starts at 4:30 in the morning. We kick off with an amazing swim.
Yep.
I'd either try to do 2 disciplines in one day, a swim and a run, and then at weekends focus a little bit more on the bike, which is crazy. What bread would you like?
I'll do the same as you, since you know a few things around the kitchen.
So you're going to go, literally, like a country bread.
Yep.
And maybe get that toasted in the pan once that bacon's cooked. And get that beautifully done.
How much more do you think on the bacon? A fair bit, right?
Yeah, just a little bit. I never like to see bacon with white fat, right?
Okay.
So I love it when it gets really nice and crispy, but not too crispy. Now,
Pretty good, actually.
tennis-wise,
Yeah.
getting to play all over the world.
Yeah.
Where would you say has been one of the most exciting courts you've ever?
I mean, Wimbledon centre court is pretty hard to beat. You know, playing in front of the royal boss,
Yeah.
wearing, I guess, sometimes playing at Nodak was pretty fun. Yeah, but US Open as well. New York's been pretty fun. And you know, I've got to play all around the world. It's been a pretty crazy journey.
Do you get to focus on that rule bot? Are you zoned out? Do you ever? Because the hustling and the way people are shouting,
Yeah.
they're on you and making snidey comments. Does that affect you?
Honestly, not really. Wimbledon's a very different like atmosphere compared to any other tournament, to be sure. They're very quiet, but I mean, you do feel like when you're walking out there, you know the royal box is there.
Right.
So like, I wasn't really focusing on it, but afterwards I got told that my behaviour wasn't amazing.
Acceptable.
I mean, it was acceptable, but it's been colourful.
Isn't that just misconstrued in terms of the word passion?
Exactly.
Right.
Yeah, I mean,
And
it's
so-
just real. So.
But your truth is,
How are they tomato looking, by the way?
they're good. They're blistering as they start
it up?
As they start to blister. That's good.
I think the
The bacon's good. Let me get that on.
good. Should I take the bacon out?
Absolutely. There we go. Onto the tray. That's blistering. I saw recently the fact that Wimbledon, now it's gone electronic. Okay, what does that say about modern tennis? Do you prefer just umpire? That's their call? Or do you depend on those line boys, line girls?
Well, for me, I actually preferred if Wimbledon stayed with the conditions of tennis. They've had 148 years of line umpires, so I thought they should have kept it.
And training the way you do because you keep super fit, you eat healthily, right?
Yep.
What kind of toll does tennis have on the body? Because not everyone thinks it's glamorous, and it's not glamorous, right?
Yeah, I mean, tennis is brutal. I mean, especially the Grand Slam. You should be playing for 4 or 5 hours, and you got to do that 7 times to win a Grand Slam over 2 weeks. Pretty tough. And for me, I've had 3 or 4 surgeries in the last year and a half. So I mean, it's very tough on your body. Yeah, basically, essentially sliding on concrete as well as you're playing on hard court. So it's strange on the body for sure.
From grass to clay to hard court, what's your favourite?
I love playing on the grass. Love Wimbledon. Love London. It's fun.
Let's take them out there.
All right, take it out of there. Yep.
Yeah.
So put them in here.
There you go. I'll put them on the tray.
Okay.
So far, so good, right?
Yeah. I mean, mine's looking a bit better, I reckon.
Well, it's not how you start, right? You know that.
Yeah, true.
It's how you finish, right?
So how many eggs are you using, Gordon?
I'm going to go for 2, I think.
Yeah, I'm gonna use 2 as well then.
So grass. Why grass? More control with the backhand, the forehand.
Well, I guess it's faster.
Right.
It's naturally like the surface where the ball comes off the court the fastest in
Sure.
my game. But I just like it. Everything's so perfect at Wimbledon. Every blade of grass is like equal length. It's a tradition.
Would you say Wimbledon's one of the best courts on the planet in terms of that grass?
It is. Yeah, it's the best court. When you're walking out there and there's a quote above the door, you got Djokovic standing behind, you got the royal family there. It's the best. The doors open slowly. You see the crowd. It's amazing.
You like me, you're incredibly passionate. When things go wrong and the shit is the fan, you let it go, right? What throws you over the line? Is it that umpire? Is it a crowd? What is it?
Well, it's been an array of things in my career. Sometimes, okay, I'm going to do exactly what Gordon's doing.
Love it. Love it. So what is it? What is the bit that tips you over the edge when you say, F it, I've had enough?
Well, I mean, when the crowd starts screaming out things, when the umpire makes a bad call.
Does it shock you now how much money is involved in tennis? And now to see, the female stars with the same check. I mean, it's about time, right?
I actually saw a stat, just with every sport at the moment, it's astounding to see the growth. And I think tennis especially with the females. I watched Emma Raducanu at played Sabalenka. It was 5 million. It was the highest watched match at Wimbledon. I feel like, as I'm trying to stay focused here because this doesn't come easy to me.
No, but you could even play at the same time.
Yeah, I know, but
it's like talk to the crowd and hitting the backhand serve as well at the same time.
yeah, but I can't do that. So I've got to stay focused here.
You can.
So yeah, I mean, look, if the more eyes are on the matches, they should get paid the same, in my opinion.
Would you prefer to play in front of no crowd?
No, absolutely not. No motivation at all.
No. But the training, 90% of that is done and it's behind doors.
Yeah, it is. But I mean, I struggle. I don't train. Like, I'd rather train with people watching me now as well.
Oh, really?
Yeah, for sure.
I mean, you've gone that posh.
No, not posh, but I just like putting on a bit of a show, that's all.
Gotcha. When you first started playing tennis, did you ever imagine that you'd be sat in front of stadiums with like thousands of people?
Absolutely not. I mean, my coach and my best mate, like, we grew up when we were, 10 years old playing on the back streets of Canberra. Like, we never really thought that we're ever going to make it to Wimbledon. No way. I mean, did you ever think you were going to be here cooking it? Like, look at the view.
The view is incredible, honestly. Although I do say to the team every day at 22 Bishopgate, don't depend on the view, okay? Because sometimes a little sort of lull. They get excited about the view. They don't have to focus on delivery of the food and the service. I'm saying, no, the view is an extra course, okay? It's like majestic. I asked Jonathan Ross about dinner once, so he came, and it was a celebration for one of his daughter's birthday, and he came, and it was like thick fog. He could see
Nothing.
And boy, he took pictures, he posted about it, and said, the view is, the food's amazing, the view is like sitting in a blanket. I mean, honestly, he went to town. Right, next, you got your tomatoes.
Mine looks pretty good.
That's good. And also blistering like that is going to intensify the sort of, the flavor. Yeah, really nice and sweet. Bacon super crispy.
Yep.
Eggs. Okay. Flat surface, crack them on. Ready?
Yeah.
A little bit of oil, a little bit of butter. So just in, and then on the side.
On the side, yep.
And then lift them up. Now, I'm going to tart these up a little bit. A bit more butter, right?
Okay.
And then a little bit of chili.
We'll light these up. Yeah, I'm going to put a bit of chili on mine as well.
Yep. Bit of salt, bit of pepper.
Around here.
It's all good. Touch of oil. I said about the inspiration of having, 6 kids when you got, not disillusioned with the sport, but you struggled mentally in terms of just where's it going?
Yeah.
Now, what kind of advice do you say and send to those up and coming future stars that were in your position, to the kids that are 15 or 16? What would that advice be now?
I think my parents were a huge, like, I can't thank my parents enough for just keep making me show up, like just showing up day after day and trying to put the right work in and just trying to stack those good days in, and literally my life changed overnight.
Yeah.
Like, it just happened all of a sudden. How come my eggs aren't looking like yours? I feel like you cheat something.
No, come on, man. It's all in the pan. It's all in the movements. Like, and
why am I not moving?
the first thing of becoming successful, what did you buy from mum?
I mean, she can kind of buy whatever she wants, I guess. We don't really spend, like, she doesn't spend that much money, to be honest. But I mean, just good food, good ingredients.
Yeah.
I mean, honestly, like, my mum is a really good cook. I do want you to still come to my house for next year.
I cannot wait. How do you go over homesickness?
Oh, I struggle with that.
You're a homeboy.
I still struggle.
And we all are, okay? You haven't got kids yet, have you?
No.
So when they arrive, it's going to be even harder.
I want to turn my pan down, hold on. I want to make sure these days are edible.
Yeah, when they're brown, they're cooked. When they're black, they're I've never seen eggs that black, I'll be honest.
What? They're not even that bad.
No, turn them over.
Because you're talking to me whilst I'm cooking.
Oh, you're blaming me now?
I am blaming you.
And it's the first time I've seen an egg stick like to a blanket in a pan. How is that possible, Nick?
Well, because I can't talk and cook at the same time. Can I start again?
No, you cannot start again. You can't do that on a serve. Hey, umpire, can I take that again?
No, this egg's edible.
Really?
Yeah, I'd eat it.
Would you serve that to your mum?
Yeah.
What?
Not this way.
Oh my goodness, right. Ready for the assembly?
Oh, I'm in trouble.
What have you done?
Well, I had to take it out of the pan.
No, you've taken the non-stick from my pan. How do you the pan the way you... What happened there? It's more crispy than your bacon. Right, let's go. We're going to assemble.
I choked it so hard.
I got my bread.
Look at my workspace. I'm so much smaller than yours.
Oh, come on. Sausage.
Every excuse in the book.
You ready?
Okay, I'm going to assemble mine now.
Here we go. I'm going to slice my sausages lengthways, okay? I'm going to put a little bit of sriracha.
Yep.
On.
Yep.
A little bit sausage on there.
So the rule is I get to eat yours, right? And you get to eat mine?
But really? Seriously? Is that what you like?
Yeah.
A light little season. Just a light. Next to that, I'm going to put my bacon on.
Ooh.
Right? Again, crispy and delicious. This is the kind of thing I'd eat literally after a day's training. Mushrooms in. Right? Little touch of chili in there. You okay?
Yeah, it looks good. I'm going to use ketchup instead of sriracha.
There's just a little touch of heat, just a touch. This is the full Scottish. Okay, eggs.
I mean, those eggs are looking a bit burnt.
No, stop it. That's crispy. Come on, man. In, one on there. Look at that. And then, okay, just on top of the egg, because it's so rich, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to literally spread my beautiful flat pudding over that toast. And then from there, you ready? Gonna lift that over and sit that on top. And then just gently slice that down.
Known a thing or two about food, you reckon?
I'm telling you, you ready? This is it. This is like you walking out to Wimbledon about to pick up that beautiful gold trophy.
That I haven't got yet.
It's coming, it's coming, it's coming. I had a dream about it last night.
Yeah.
It's coming. Oh my goodness me. Oh my goodness me. Nick.
Can you assemble mine there?
No, come on, man. You gotta show me,
assemble mine then.
show me what you got. Right, bacon on. Talk me through it.
Bacon on, with
Yes.
the ketchup on top.
Yes.
Do I do all the bacon, you think? Or just two?
What the is that?
Hey, what, trying to make me feel bad.
Come on.
Okay.
Come on.
I'm just going bacon and egg.
Load it up.
Yeah, there you go. A bit more ketchup. Just mask it all with ketchup. And this is just like walking out to the French Open. It's terrible.
Come on.
Look, the Aussies would prefer this.
Stop
They
it.
would.
On behalf of Australia, you. No chance. He's even cleaning the plate. Nick is actually wiping the plate.
Yeah. Look at that.
Good job, bro.
Look at that. See? Come on, all. Mate, it doesn't look too.
It doesn't look too bad.
It doesn't look that bad.
If you're blind. May I? What way on the other side?
I think it's weird. This side there's better. Oh, you decide.
Yeah, where's the filling? Did it drop?
One of my eggs was burnt.
Did you drop it?
And you're the don of cooking. Gordon Ramsay ate my sandwich. I win. It doesn't matter. It's not bad, is it? It's not bad, is it? Say it. It's good. The ketchup's good.
It's good. It is good. The bacon's delicious. Eggs are delicious.
I told you. Thank you. I'm on it live pretty much.
It's really good. Your fans, I don't think they quite understand how much you know about food. Ready for a little trivia?
Yeah, let's do it.
I think you watched more episodes than me.
I watched them all, but I should be all right with these questions.
Here we go. Right, Sebastian, season 1, episode 6. This was the sort of fake chef, the sort of fake actor, and didn't know whether he should.
Oh yes, I know exactly where.
Shocker.
Yes.
What unusual menu system did Sebastian use?
Oh, sorry.
Oh, here we go. You got to be first. You know. A, customers roll the dice to pick their dish, or was it B, the menu was divided into combos and Simons, or C, he had a mix and match menu with over 20 combinations, or was it D, everything was cooked in the microwave?
It was pretty much C and D, to be honest, but C was like a mix and match thing. I remember the waitresses had to go out to the tables and it would take them like 20 minutes to tell them how the menu worked.
It was C. Well done. He was an absolute bed as well.
Yeah, he was. He thought he was an actor. He wanted to chain, remember?
Yeah, he couldn't even act at cooking either.
Yeah, he was
honestly. Right, Burger Kitchen, season 5, episode 5 and 6.
I remember this one very well.
Here we go. What was the major source of conflict at Burger Kitchen? Was it A, the chef didn't know how to cook burgers? Was it B, the owner's son was left out of all the decisions? Or was it C, the business was funded with the son's inheritance? Or finally, was it D, that I refused to eat the food?
The son's inheritance was part of the restaurant. And then the dad, yeah. I remember.
That's from 2010. How do you remember all this?
Because I remember him. He was Australian.
And do you watch this before the game, after the game?
All the time, every night.
God, here we go. Which conspiracy theory was casually mentioned by the owner's father? Was it A, the moon landing was faked? B, Yelp was run by the mafia? C, Gordon Ramsay was a plant? Or D, 9/11 was an inside job?
It was B. He thought Yelp was against him.
You're absolutely right. How do you remember these? This is crazy.
And
Right.
sat them down in front of all the Yelpers.
That's right.
Yeah, I remember.
Bloody hell.
Hey, he fell asleep.
You're like my exec producer. Fiesta Sunrise, or at the time it was like Fiesta whole season 2, episode 9.
Yep.
What shocking discovery did Gordon make in the kitchen at Fiesta Sunrise? Was it A, raw chicken stored next to cooked rice? Was it B, expired meat dating back years? C, a dead rodent? Or D, a second hidden kitchen?
It was a dead rodent, wasn't it? Didn't you? And then they told you that you planted it there.
Finally got one wrong. It was B, expired meat dating back
it's a
years.
different one.
Dead rodent, I think, was blackberries.
Oh yeah, it was. It was.
People were bringing the mouse in my pocket.
And then you plant.
I mean, that all season, get a little feed, and then walk in and moan down Shirley and we'll pocket.
Yeah.
Final question. Mill Street Bistro.
Oh, this is the best one.
Season 6,
But
episode.
Joey.
Even though they're names. Even I don't remember his nose.
Sicko.
Joey. Right, what made Joe, the owner of Mill Street Bistro, one of the most argumentative restaurant owners? Was it A, he claimed to be a 5-star chef?
Yep.
Was it B, he constantly interrupted me? Was it C, he fired staff during filming? Or D, all of the above?
It was. I don't know if he fired staff. I think it was A.
Told you. Too many holes. Well done. You know more about kitchen than I do.
No, because remember the chef, it had quiet up there, and he was like, should you put raw onions in the French onion soup?
Let's just get a talented staff. Next time we're on the road, come with me.
Oh, I'd love to.
Trainer and sit in the control room and see what happens.
I want to be the insider at one of these places.
Love that.
That'd be fun.
Tell me about the flavors. Well, there's no seasoning, there's no flavor.
Right, thanks so much to the amazing Nick Kyrgios for joining us. And catch Nick's series, Good Trouble, on YouTube now. And don't forget to subscribe for more episodes of Scrambled.
Enjoy, thank you. Bye.